heat gel. I'm doing 6 flat twists that I'm gonna wear this week and then take them down on the weekend. I washed and deep conditioned my hair between last night and today. I already put some of this Mielle Organics twisting souffle in, and now I'm just twisting my hair back. I'll make a little ponytail, lay it down with some gel on the edges, and that's it. Easy peasy. But I'm just going to show this, how I do this so you can see. And I'll post an Instagram with the results once they are done. This is the hardest part. Just taking my time, going slow, making the part straight as possible, twisting neatly, not getting frustrated, not getting frustrated. Let's see. I'm just grabbing, twisting, and then grabbing a little piece of hair that's behind it to flat twist down. And I want more detail, so I'm taking smaller sections, because what's going to happen is the hair is going to puff up. And I want to be able to see all those twists and turns. Show them off, I should say. So I just comb through the ends, because when I take this down, this will be a good, nice twist out. Put some more twisting cream at the end. It'll be a nice twist out. I'm not worried about it puffing up, because again, the puffing adds more detail. So that, I did this side earlier. And now I'm on to the last one. So see you in the next video. Thanks.